welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Today is an original Zosh video in the form of, we have an install for you guys, and as you can tell by the title below or above my head, I don't really know with YouTube, we have version 3 of Hybrid Racing's RSX shifter that is now available at the time of this record. Well, it's not available at the time of this recording, but when you're watching this, it is available because this video is out Friday, which is when the new shifter is live on hybridracing.com. Also, I'm not wearing it, but my hoodie is also still available, and it's marked down in cost, so you can support your venom. But other than that, man, let's show you guys the new shifter. Here is the version 3 hybrid racing shifter for the RSX. Beautiful one-piece design, no more springs, got one internal spring, and it's just beautiful, bro. Look at that, beautiful precision stainless bearing. Oh my god, 4-link design. Oh my god, look at that steel frame. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, and that beautiful dust black anodized finish. Oh my god, this is just too good. So we will be swapping out the version 2 for the version 3. Oh my god, I've been daily driving this car for 2 weeks. Okay, so first things first, we gotta disassemble the interior a little bit. Not really much, but since my center console stuff is all clapped out, I mean, this just pops out. And then we're exposed to our 4 bolts right there to remove the shifter, but we have to remove the actual console piece, which would kind of suck because it's actually glued to this. My delete plate or whatever is glued to this since my dashboard is broken. It's clapped. Like, my dashboard is this pops out whenever it wants. When I do a pull, broken, and then this will pop out if it wants to. My whole dashboard is just clapped out city. So I'm gonna have to re-glue that after the fact, but we gotta remove the cables, and the only way we could do that without having it be an issue, we gotta remove this right here so we can get the clips out, and then, you know, make the process much easier. So first things first, let's start by removing, and then this should just slide out, but it's actually stuck to that, so I gotta break it, sadly. I don't want to, but I got no choice but to. Oh, sick. Dang. That'd have been cool if I didn't have to. Alright, now that this is out, we are exposed to our version 2 shifter on our hybrid racing shifter plate. I probably should have cleaned my interior before I did this so I can make this install make it a little bit nicer, you feel me? So here we have 4 6mm hex head bolts that we have to remove in order to get the shifter plate off. But before we do that, we have to remove these shifter clips so we can remove the cables from the actual shifter. Then we'll be able to loosen these 4. It suck it to you install. Yeah, look at that, bro. I got HPV. Alright, so we got the clips removed. Next is these little clips right here. Let me show you. Focus, baby. Alright, so these little clips right here, bro, be careful, because I lost 5 so far. So remove those, and then your cable would be loose enough to remove, so where we just got these 4 6mm hex head bolts to remove, and we golden. So just be careful, you know, if you're doing this, be careful without loosening it and then it flying somewhere, because me and Randy will tell you all the time that we lost these John, so don't do it, okay? Be careful. It is removed. So we'll analyze both of them and show you the big differences in both shifters. Pretty cool. To give you guys more of an insight of the 2 different shifters, first off, from carrying them from the car to here, this one's definitely heavier than this one, for sure. The gold one, version 2, is heavier than version 3. Another difference is, you can see all the springs. There's one there up top, and there's one on the bottom. This one is all internal, so it's just one internal spring. And the even more amazing thing about this is, whenever you buy a hybrid racing shifter from now on, you will always get this one now. If you have one of these, hold on to it, because these are no longer being sold from hybrid racing. These are the new replacement. Obviously, it's a V3, so I mean, obviously you wouldn't sell V2 anymore, but The end of an era has finally came to an end, I guess, and this is the new baby right here. We're gonna head into 2020 with the V3, baby. Let's go. But yeah, that's just the keynote differences. As you guys can see, you have 3 adjustables on here, and on this one you have 2. You no longer have to worry about this ever being a factor in case like this bolt comes loose or anything, which I don't think it does, but it's no longer on this one. And that's pretty much both in a nutshell, man. Famous saying, we going from ashy to classy. There's only one thing left to do. Install it. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Oh, man. Let's get down to the cinematics. Oof. That is it, boys. The beautiful version 3 of the hybrid racing shifter for the RS6 is now installed, and it's so good, dude. It's so good. Look at that. Oh man, if you guys could just go through these gears with your boy. Yeah, feel me? You already know what's next. We gotta put you guys on the mount and go for a little ride and give you guys the first impression of this bad boy, man. So far so good. Let's see how good it really is. See if it stacks up against the version 2. With the shifter is that it's not as notchy. Like, it's not, I don't know what it is, but my version 2 was notchy, which I love. Like, I love the notchy grittiness, rawness feeling. This is more of like, I don't know, like it feels more comfort based for me. Like, I don't know, dog. It's just like it's just so smooth. Like it's hella smooth. Like, if I can describe it, it's just smooth. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm actually on my way to the post office to mail out people's orders and stuff like that. So why not hook you guys up on the Gecko mount and give you guys some little review. You know what I mean? And I have my rod high because it's either the higher the rod, the more like, I don't know, like the more longer the throw is, the shorter the rod, the shorter the throw, you know what I mean? Mine's on like basically factory settings, which I like. Like, it's not bad. I love it. Like, it's nice. So smooth. Let me go drop off these orders and we'll be back to do some pulls or something. Well, I gotta get gas, but we'll do something. We'll figure it out. It's so good to me. Oh, green light. Green light, green light. Supporting me like that. So if I get a ticket again, y'all ain't supporting. So I gotta stop trying to make my vlogs lit by me doing pulls. Hell no. Hell no. I love that Hybrid finally released another black shifter. Like, can we just give them a round of applause for bringing back the black? And you can get this bad boy in anodized dust red. Like, be a little less OEM feel like. I wanted that, you know, stiffer, notchy feel. So that's what I did. And it's working out to be amazing. Because it does work, son. So I hope the audio now with the case on is improved. Checking it through the app over here, and I don't know, man. I'm not used to having nice things. Like my last GoPro was a Hero 4 that I bought from Mr. La Tamila, and I went from a Hero 4 to I actually bought a Hero 7 Silver like 2 days ago. I tried filming this exact part, but the audio was trash. Like if you're gonna buy a GoPro, do not buy a silver or a white. Just buy the black. Just don't cheap out. I cheaped out and I end up went back to Walmart and exchanged it out for the black because I needed that quality, that crisp quality, and now I have it. So it's hot as hell in here. So far on the shifter review, it's great. It's not as sloppy as it was before due to me just adjusting the shift rod. I do want that titanium though, you know what I mean? I need to get that titanium. And if you want to adjust this to one and to one on both the adjustable parts of the shifter, that's going to give you more of a OEM slash like not as firm feel. It's going to be more OEM-y, if that makes sense. So keep it on 2. 2 is being the stiffest setting. So glad Rainy fixed my second gear. Now I no longer have the second gear grind. That's been holding me back from my full potential. Now I'm living up to my full potential. Okay, got some gas. I'm at half tank. I would do some pulls and stuff, but y'all don't support me enough to pay my tickets. I'm kidding. To close out this video review of the new version 3 Hybrid Racing RSX shifter, I love it. I love it more than the version 2. It's amazing. I love it. It shifts like butter. In my opinion, it shifts way smoother than the version 2, but the version 2 is like, you know, that's the GOAT. But this is the bigger GOAT, you know what I mean? Like this shifter is all around, it's worth it. Like I really have no idea on what else to say about the shifter besides it being amazing. Like the shifter, it's worth the money. Like it's just, look at it. It's freaking gorgeous. It's beautiful. Shifts like butter, it's smooth. Can't go wrong in my opinion. You just can't beat it, fellas. You just can't beat it. Like how I did that. Yeah, I know. I'm magical. I'm magical. You did it. I don't know how you did it, but you managed to watch this entire video and hit the like button. How did you do that? Amazing. Just amazing. The RSX version 3 shifter is amazing. I cannot complain, not one bit. I love that it's black. Like, it just makes the interior look so Marauder-esque. I love it. And if you would like your own shifter, you already know what the dealio is, baby. Link down below to hyperracing.com, and also use discount code 5OFF-ZOSH and get the shifter for 5% off. I'm here for you, and only you. Remember that. But all in all, thank you guys for watching. I will be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I get my car Wednesday, so be prepared for the vlog series of me going there and driving it home for 10 hours. Should be fun. But that's it. That's dope, ain't it?